In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a multi-page website using Canva, all within just 5 minutes. This tutorial is perfect for those who want to set up a simple yet visually appealing web presence without diving into complex web design software. Whether you're creating a site for a personal project, a business, or just for fun, Canva makes it incredibly easy to get started. First, open Canva and type website in the search bar. Canva provides a vast array of website templates, making it an excellent platform for both beginners and more experienced users. Now, if you're unsure where to start, typing website will present you with countless options tailored for different needs and styles. You can find everything from minimalistic designs to vibrant, elaborate themes. Once you've typed website and pressed enter, you'll be directed to a page full of templates. Go ahead and browse through these available templates. The convenience of using Canva templates lies in their pre-structured design, allowing you to visualize your website without starting from scratch. As you skim through, you'll notice that each template has a small preview feature. By hovering your mouse over a template, you'll see how many pages it includes. This gives you a great sense of what your final site might look like and helps in choosing a design that fits your vision. After you've selected a template that resonates with your project, click on Customize this template. This action will open the template in Canva's editing interface, where the magic happens. You now have full control over the design aspects of each page. Customization is where Canva truly shines, offering a user-friendly interface that requires no prior design experience. With your template ready, the next step is to make the site your own by editing the text and images. This customization process is as simple as clicking on the text you wish to change, typing in your content, and hitting enter. For the images, you can upload your own photos by clicking Uploads or choose from Canva's gallery to find visuals that perfectly complement your text. This ease of editing allows your personality or brand identity to shine through, ensuring your website reflects exactly what you wish to convey. As you work through these steps, remember to periodically save your changes. Canva typically saves your progress automatically, but it's always a good idea to make sure all your hard work is safely stored. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've created a multi-page website with Canva. This process exemplifies how user-friendly design can be when using the right tools. By leveraging Canva's intuitive interface and extensive template library, you're now set to share your newly created web presence with the world. Whether it's for personal use or to promote a business, you've just unlocked a wonderful skill that can be used time and again. Happy designing.